Hello, today we are solving May 2024 paper, Unit 2, question number 4, Part E. Evaluate from the viewpoint of Bangla Red Sun Electronics PLC the proposal of Pulse Waves PLC. Pulsewave PLC has notified Bangla Sun Red Sun Electronics PLC that it is having financial problems and it would like to reduce the price it is paying per memory card. The Pulsewaves PLC wishes to pay 3.50 per memory card for the next 3 months. Pulsewaves PLC states that it hopes to be able to pay the normal price of 4.3 per memory card after the 3-month period. Evaluate this viewpoint of Bangla Red Sun Electronics PLC, the proposal of this Pulsewave PLC. Now, why should they accept this offer? We have to see, okay, whether it is suitable for Pulse Waves. So, for the reasons for accepting the offer, okay, Pulse Wave wishes to pay, okay, the Pulse Wave is paying 3.50 for memory card for the first 3 months and then it's going to pay 4.3 for the 9 months. So the price of 3.50, if you are seeing, it is going to cover the marginal cost. We had calculated the marginal cost, okay, 2.89. So it is able to cover all the marginal cost, all the variable cost. This means that a contribution, what is a contribution? Okay, contribution you will calculate using the selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit, like this. Okay, whatever the selling price you had, the selling price was 3.5 minus of all the variable cost which are included, the variable cost of direct material, direct labor and the semi variable costs. Okay, here all this variable costs you will include and you will get the contribution of 0.061 per unit is being made, and probably this could be used for paying of the fixed cost, it says. Then it is possible that Pulsewaves PLC may go out of the business if they are having financial problems. Okay, if this happens, then it could mean that Bangla Sun Red Sun Electronics PLC will have no customers left for them, as these people are the only customers. So this may result in Bangla Sun Red PLC Electronics PLC also going out of the business if they don't give that offer to them. Then if Pulse Waves can survive for next 3 months, then the normal price of 4.3 could be charged in the future. How? Because you can still make a profit if you use some calculations. Okay, the initial revenue was this much. Okay, 200,000 times 12 times, okay, the times 4.3. Okay, 4.3, that is equal to 320,000. That was the initial revenue. Okay, if they had been selling at 4.3. Okay, now the new revenue, okay, that's going to be earned, because for 3 months they are going to pay, okay, for the 9 months they are going to pay at the rate of 4.3, and for the other 3 months they are going to pay at the rate of 3.5. So this means there is a revenue change, right? So the revenue change is this much. The revenue is going to change by this much. Now only 9,840,000. Earlier the revenue earned, if they had paid for the entire month 4.3, then the revenue earned would have been 10,320,000. But now the revenue earned will get reduced. Okay, that's what we have to see. So now calculate this difference in revenue earned. So that means it will fall by 480,000. So but if we subtract this from the earlier profit, this was the earlier profit with 4.3 throughout the month, so that means the profit will still exist at 1,249,000. Okay, this is what is there. So that's why you should be able to accept this offer. Okay, you will not make 1,729,900, but at least you will make 1,249,000 amount of profit. But against accepting this offer, if we see that the suggested price is 0.08 difference per card below the normal selling price, what happens to the contribution? Earlier the contribution you have to calculate 1.41. If the selling price was 4.3 and the variable costs are this much, contribution is for 1.41, but now the contribution per unit is 0.61 per unit. So the price of 3.50 might not cover the total cost of producing one memory card. So we are assuming it might cover all the fixed costs, but it might not cover the fixed cost. in the long run, okay, this selling price will not be suitable for Bangla Red Sun PLC Electronics. The profit will vary by 480,000. Okay, it is going to fall by 480,000. And also you don't know in the future it's going to these people will definitely pay or not. But in conclusion, you have to say that it may be that Bangla Red Sun PLC can accept the selling price to be reduced for 3 months period now. But however, in the long term, this price will not be accepted. That means if they are going to have 3.5 throughout, then these people will not be